Hi everyone, today I will talk about how to manage stock. First, click Inventory on the left sidebar. Then select Stocks to enter the Inventory Management main page. Here, you will be able to see the products that were previously synced from the SQL system. Next, click the Sync Stock button at the top right. If you want to update all products, click Sync All. If you only want to update specific products, tick the checkbox on the left and then click Sync Selected. During the syncing process, an orange loading icon will appear at the bottom of the sidebar. When the system shows the message, Sync finished successfully, it means the data has been successfully synced to Xstore. You will then be able to see the newly synced products in the list. Next, click the Map Product button at the top right. Click the filter icon at the top left, where you can filter by unmapped, mapped, or platform. Select Unmapped Products to quickly locate products that are not yet connected. On the left side, select the platform product. Then on the right side, find the corresponding stock item in the Map Stock Items list. Click the stock item to complete the mapping. Once completed, the product will be successfully linked to the stock item. Return to the main list, and you will see the total mapped column updated to 1. Click the Details icon on the right side of the inventory item to view the mapped products. In the Details page, you can also click Map Product at the top right to perform mapping. Similarly, filter Unmapped Products, select the platform products, and click the Map Product button to complete the process. After returning to the main list, you will see that 3 platform products have been successfully mapped to this stock item. Finally, click the icon at the top right of the Details page to update the quantity across all platforms with one click. Update quantity. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.